Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my web tool. So I'm using Pear Deck, and I used this a little bit from personal experience back in high school, and this was very, very helpful for me. It's kind of like a Kahoot, but it works even better, in my opinion. So Pear Deck is a way of just being able to have the teachers communicate with the students on a different level. So like it gives different attributes and it gives different ways to, engage with lessons or just to give different activities, have different outputs and even different outcomes all the way from the students all the way to the teachers. So this is a different way for not only students to learn but also teachers to teach. And some specific features that I like is that teachers are able to, they're usually able to do blogs, put more training and webinars on, knowledge based stuff, and then it's just helpful videos that they can put on. And some potential use for this is just for if there's a lot of information to cover. So if there's, some like a lot of my teachers they would lecture in class in high school and then they would put the rest if we couldn't fit it all on to this Pear Deck and onto this and it even gives like a join session, so like you could even enter a code and it'll give you a place for everyone to go ahead and even um, get in at their own time and even to get in their own way. Pear Deck has a bunch of ways for different schools and districts, as you can see right here. Um, just getting started, it can go from Google Slides, helps with that a lot. That's what we used a lot in high school, and it helps with Microsoft as well. Some problems I could see with this, like I said before, was there's a passcode, and a lot of people could probably just easily guess the passcode, so I guess it's easy to hack into, which kind of draws a concern for me. And but other than that, it's a very reliable source, and it helps a lot with not only the students but the teachers as well.